My name is Brittany Kaiser. I am 25 years old and I live in San Antonio. I'm born and raised here. Well, I had the Lasik eye procedure done by Dr. Panday, and I've been working with San Antonio Eye Center for about a year. And when I heard about Dr. Panday actually performing the procedure, I was really excited and I wanted to know more about it. She told me that I was a great candidate for the actual Lasik procedure, and then we did the procedure on August 14th, and I would highly recommend it, and I have no regrets. And I'm very happy and satisfied. Before I had Lasik, when I would take off my glasses or my contacts, I literally could not see. Everything was so blurry. Words, even things from a distance, near, everything was just blurry, pure blur. That was it. So every morning when I would get up, I would reach for my glasses, or I would go straight to the bathroom and put on my contacts, and it was just a routine that I have been doing for at least 10, 15 years. I've been doing this over and over, and now it was time for a change. I work in the operating room with Dr. Panday, so I have a lot of experience seeing her actually perform procedures, and I got to know her personality and the way she works. She does a really, really good job. When I observed her, I did have a lot of confidence, and actually boosts my confidence even more just by seeing her actually perform. And that gave me confidence that everything would run smoothly, and the results have been great, and I was glad I went with her. Well, a couple of weeks before the procedure, Dr. Panday would ask me, how am I doing? Am I ready? And I told her I actually am ready. And she says, are you feeling nervous? And I said, no, not really. I wasn't nervous about complications or anything that was going wrong. What I was more nervous was actually feeling the actual procedure and the laser and feeling pain. But once I laid there on the bed and they started performing, I didn't feel anything, just pressure, and that was it. So that made me feel a lot better. I actually had LASIK done on both eyes at the same time. We did one side and then switched over to the other side, so I actually had both of my eyes done at one time. Now when I wake up every morning, I wake up and I still reach for my glasses, but there's no need for that because I don't need them anymore. And it's really convenient, and it feels great just to be able to see and not worry about putting on my glasses or putting on my contacts and taking the time to do that. It's an awesome feeling to be able to see without any of that. When I went actually to the actual office where I had the procedure done, everything was great. They walked me through step by step. They told me exactly what they were gonna do. Everything went smooth. They made me feel comfortable. They didn't make me feel nervous. And they answered any kind of questions that I had prior to the procedure or after. And I was very, very satisfied with their work. Post-op, when I got out of there, which Dr. Panday says is pretty normal, it wasn't pain, it was just more of like irritation, like if something was in my eye. But she said that's normal for the first 2 to 3 hours, so she recommended me to go home and sleep, which is what I did. And by the time I got home and by the evening, I didn't feel hardly any irritation. If anything, just dry eye, but that's normal as well. I noticed a difference in my vision the moment that they had finished. I paused for a second and I kind of got emotional because Dr. Panday says, are you okay? And I said, yes. And I said, it's amazing how I can see already. I mean, I know it's not perfect, but I could see. So I noticed something right away. And then by the next day, I went to go see her post-op, and she performed an exam, and I was seeing 20/20, which was amazing. So once the procedure was over, I had a lot of friends that asked me, what do you think about it? How did it go? How are you seeing? I said, I'm doing great. I'm seeing awesome. I would really highly recommend that you do this procedure. I mean, it really did change my life, and Dr. Panday made it even better because she's very soft-spoken and she walks you through everything. She makes you feel comfortable, and the results of it are even better.